Dr. Shaw from the clinic. You have an infection which you need to call me about and get it checked out. In the meantime, we here at JPAlloys have some news. By the way, I am down here at JPAlloys. Look at the sign on the wall. There it is, look, jpalloys.co.uk. Now, the man who's filming this is our new technical wizard. His name is Warwick, and the most amazing thing about his abilities with the camera, well, I've never seen anything quite like this. Warwick is behind the camera now. Hello, mate, he's actually, all right? He's actually filming this at the moment, but he's also here. That's Warwick. Now watch this. No, go back to Warwick. Warwick, make the camera go down. Look at that. How are you doing that? Warwick, make the camera go up. Warwick, make the camera go right. See? That's amazing. Can you tell me one day, will you tell me how? Possibly. Anyway, anything technical, anything wizard-like, it's to do with him, all right? There you go. Right, I'm out of here. Make the camera go off now.